Here we got Daisy's puppies. Look how big they are. I believe they are finally either 6 or 7 weeks old. But look how big they are. We decided to bring them outside for a little bit. Oh, there goes Riggy. Riggs! He'll figure it out. And they're coming outside just to hang out for a little bit in nature. But look how big they are. And they have been continuing to eat their kibble. And they have quite the appetite, to say the least. This is our girl, Rhea. This is Ray. This is our boy, Riggs. How cute. And this is our girl, River. But yeah, they have become so big.